Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Crazy Drivers. As you can see in this clip, crazy drivers. So I was driving home and I was witness to somebody trying to turn in the other lane without looking and almost clipped this person or drove him off the side of the road, which is insane. This guy here was in a rush, tried to cut me off, as you can see. Then same dude cut me off right here because he rushed to merge. I don't know what this person was doing, texting and driving, but they pulled over with their turn signal. Then you're supposed to turn into your first lane, and if I was there, I would have been crushed. So I'm glad I took my turn. Yeah, this guy already went, so I might as well just wait for him to go. No stop sign there. There's just some kid on a motorcycle without a helmet. It's one of my biggest pet peeves in Surrey right now is people not stopping for stop signs, as you can see. Double yellow means you're not allowed to cross, but ends up turning anyways. And then this person right afterwards runs a red light. Not illegal at all.
This is where there should be a barrier from the light all the way back here.
Yep. I agree with my dad, because people always try to cut, which causes problems. And this didn't even make it in the news, but at this corner store there was actually a shooting, and that's why there's all these police, as you can see. So I just thought I'd add that into this little video montage. Then also a road check with the police, checking for drunk drivers.
Hello, sir.
How's it going?
Good. Where'd you come from, man?
Surrey.
Surrey. Anything to drink tonight?
Nope. Don't drink.
Don't drink? Okay, drive safe, man.
Yeah, you too. How's it going?
But yeah, there's at least they're checking to make sure people aren't drinking and driving, so that's good. And then last but not least, for your viewing pleasure, this lady that has trouble trying to back up. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Worst Drivers in Canada, Surrey, Vancouver, British Columbia. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed it.